Welcome back, beauties. It's your girl Abby here. If you're new to my channel, so as you can see, we are doing a deep treatment today, and I am super excited. This is a pre-recorded live video on Facebook. You can follow me on Facebook, on Instagram. I'll be coming live sometimes on YouTube. So all we're gonna do is to mix our ORS mayonnaise with my brilliant potion from Abby's Creation by me, my hair growth oil, and it's also a deep treatment oil. So I'm gonna mix these two ingredients together. Very expensive, but it's really good. And I got a big tap of it. I think it's about 32 ounces. So what it does is it stimulates your hair. It's like a deep treatment, right? And I have not got just only that. I've got also my brilliant potion. I think I've come here so many times with my potion. This is my own recipe, and this recipe is got vitamin E, it's got jojoba oil. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix these two together, and I've got a mixing bowl here, and I've got this spoon. So all I'm gonna do, also I've got a hair clip, I've got a big comb, and I've got some shower caps, right? So the shower cap will serve as a heat trap in the hair, because I'm going to cover my hair with it. So the instructions on the mayonnaise, right, the ORS mayonnaise, that you stay under the dryer for 15 minutes, but because my hair is really damaged, I do not want to use any heat at all, right? So I'm going to stay in that conditioner, deep conditioner, for like an hour. So all I'm doing is to mix up, yeah, mix these two ingredients together, mix it very well. And I'm not gonna wear any gloves, because I really want to feel this moisturizer in my hair. You know, when you treat in your hair, it's like a therapeutic session, like a relaxed moment, right? So all I'm gonna do is to apply this in my hair. It's really cold, but it will just suit my hair, right? All I'm doing is to apply this, and I'm going to section my hair with my fingers. Remember, I've got a lot of growth, so I wouldn't like to use a comb. It's going to be very painful, right? So I'm sectioning my hair as we will, you know, when you relax in the way you section your hair, I'm going to get into the roots and bring it to the length, right? So all I'm going to do now is to pop this shower cap on my hair. Another bonnet. I'm gonna top it up because I want to trap in some heat. So it has been an hour since I left my hair under the shower caps, so I'm simply washing all the residue of the mayonnaise mixture from my hair, and I'll go ahead to shampoo and condition. So I'll be using argan oil shampoo and conditioner. I got these from TK Maxx, very affordable than the retail price or the actual price. So lately I've been shopping from TK Maxx all my beauty products. They have very affordable, a whole lot of range. Sometimes you can even find your makeup product in TK Maxx. Yeah, so I'm repeating the shampoo once again, because I do not want to leave any residue of the deep treatment in my hair. So I'm going to go ahead also to condition, and I'll be using also the argan oil conditioner. It came as a set, and I'll go ahead to style my hair. Now I'm applying the conditioner argan oil again, and I'm simply gonna detangle. I realized my hair was a little bit tangled at the back there, so I'm using my white tooth comb to detangle, and I mean, it wasn't that hard to do, and I'm simply gonna wash it off and style. So what I do also is to do a less manipulative hairstyle after this the treatment before relaxer day. All I'll be doing is to put my hair into two plaits. I'll be wearing my wig, since it's just a week, and that's all I'm gonna basically do. And I'm applying my heat protector, and also a leave-in conditioner, also argan oil, and I will simply go ahead and blow dry my hair. Also, I'm applying this leave-in conditioner. I also got that one from TK Maxx. It's a braid care, but I find it really gentle and it leaves my hair very smooth and easy to comb. So I'm applying that. I'll be leaving links in the description box, all the products I'm using, so you give it a try. And yeah, we simply gonna do two cornrow plaits, which I'll be wearing my wigs. I'm home. Um, I'm not doing much. So I'm gonna leave just two plaits, and we go ahead and relax on relaxer day. So please do remember to guard your hair. Like I said, the Bible says, put on the whole armor of God so you can withstand in evil days. Relaxer definitely does a lot of a great deal of distraction to our natural hair, and you have to guard your hair. You really have to do that. Often I'll be showing you beauties what I basically do after relaxer day. This time my hands is very on my hair. I need to grow my hair. So right now all I'm gonna do is to braid these two cornrows, and I'll be applying my hair serum also from argan oil. So I got the whole set, right? I'm really into this, and I'm simply gonna apply this all over my hair, and I picked generous amount. And what I realized was I didn't have my leave-in moisturizing conditioner. I like to use the ORS brand, and I had run out of it, but I'm good for now. I'm gonna get that in my next shopping. So that's all we basically doing, and yeah. So less manipulative hairstyle. You can go ahead and do, even plait, big box braid, but less manipulative. Don't do too much, right? So I've got one plait down, and I'm simply doing the other side, and I'll secure the ends of the plaits with my bobby pins, and that's all I'm gonna be doing. I'll just be rocking my wigs if I'm heading outside until my relaxer day. Please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Comment, like, share, follow me on Instagram at Abby's Gifted Creations, and also on Facebook at Abby's Gifted Creations. I'll be leaving links below in the description box for you to know the product I use and also follow me up. Until we meet next time, I love you, beauties. Bye bye.